Heel changes are very similar to our ball change, except now we are using our heel. You'll also sometimes hear this referred to as a heel rock. And again, this takes up two sounds. It can be counted as 1, 2, or it can be counted as and 1. Now you want to make sure that you take your foot and you flex it so you can get the back of that heel down, and then you rock onto your back foot. So it's a little bit backwards feeling in comparison to that ball change, where the ball change is behind us. Now you're putting that heel in the front of you. Again, this can be done either heel ball or heel flat, and they can travel in different directions. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about our step ball change, flat ball change, and shuffle step ball changes. I will see you then.